Hi, here's a quick video showing you how to age your designs with my vintage vector edge brushes. Now once you load the brushes, you'll see that I've supplied them in several groups. You have the bonus cloth book brushes here at the top, then the grunge edge brushes below that, and the fold and crease brushes below that. I'm going to change the view of the brushes tab here to the thumbnail view. And to apply the brushes themselves is really straightforward. I'm going to select the line segment tool here, draw a line. I'm holding shift to make it a straight line, and all I do is, with the line selected, select one of the brushes on the tab here. Now I'm just going to shift it into position, and if you want to try out different brushes, just click on a different one from the tab until you're happy with it. I think I'll go for that one, it's nice and messy. So back into position, and once it's applied you can change the colour. So just go to your colour tab and adjust the sliders, and you can manipulate the line further. I'm going to curve the edge here, adding an extra point, and then curve the edge like so. I'm going to quickly apply a few more lines, but I won't make you watch it, so I'll skip ahead. And there you have it, your finished border. Now to use the crease brushes, you use them much the same way. So you can use the line segment tool here and click and drag, and just choose one of your brushes, and then you have it, instant crease marks. Now I'm going to thicken them up a bit, and you do that by just adjusting the stroke width. So I'm going to make that to 2 points, and you've got a thicker crease. And again, I'm going to add some more, but I won't make you watch. And there you have it, your finished document, much older than it originally looked. Thanks for watching.